How to fix camera on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually fix camera on Instagram. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Instagram's camera could not be working for multiple reasons, and there could be multiple factors behind it and not just one particular reason. The very first thing I wanted to check is whether or not you're using the latest version of Instagram. So go ahead and open up your device's respective app stores. In the search box, you want to simply type in Instagram, and if you see an update button there next to the Instagram app, I want you to simply go ahead and then update the app to the latest version. What updating does is that it is going to fix most of the issues and bugs which you were facing in the previous versions of Instagram. If this doesn't help, there's another thing we can do, and that is we have to allow the permissions for the Instagram app. So go ahead and then launch the settings app. Once you launch your settings app, I want you to simply go ahead and then look for the option called apps. Once you find apps, just go ahead and then look for Instagram. So just search for Instagram and then select it. Once you find Instagram, first of all, come to storage and then clear the cache files. This is going to delete all of the temporary junk files which your application and your phone doesn't really need. And after that, you could basically come back to the permissions tab at the top. Once you go to permissions, just select camera, and you want to make sure that it is set to allow. So you can say camera permission. If it is set to don't allow, Instagram will not be able to use your camera. So you just have to keep that in mind. You just need to set it to allow while using the app, and most likely that would definitely fix the issue. Hopefully this video helped you in either way and how you can fix the camera on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.